Hello, welcome to back my channel. Dear students, I am explaining you about cement. So, cement is one of the most important material used in the construction of buildings, dams, bridges, roads, etc. In 1824, Joseph Asplin, a mason working in Leeds, UK, for the first time heated a mixture of limestone, clay and water and allowed the mass to stand for some time. When it hardened into a stone-like mass, Portland rock, which was an important naturally occurring building stone used in England, named it Portland cement. In India, cement industries come into existence in 1914. Cement is a greyish fine powder consisting of mixture of various silicates and aluminates. So their composition is tricalcium silicate, 3CuSiO2, tricalcium aluminate, 3CaOl2O3, and dicalcium silicate, 2CoAl2SiO2. On mixing with water, it sets into hard mass. Composition of Portland cement: calcium oxide 50 to 60%, silicon 20 to 25%, alumina 5 to 10%, magnesium oxide 2 to 3%, ferric oxide Fe2O3 1 to 2%, sulfide 1 to 2%, Na2O 1%, K2O 1%. A good quality cement: percentage of silica ratio percentage of alumina 2.5 to 4%. Then and percentage of calcium oxide, percentage of silica, alumina and iron oxide is 1.9 to 2.1%. Raw material: the main raw material required to cement is lime, clay provided with silicon and Al2O3, gypsum. A small quantity of magnesium oxide, ferric oxide are also needed to color the cement. Manufacturing process: the cement main material limestone, clay are dug from their respective quarries and crushed powder. These are mixed in 3:1. By mass, they then made into a paste with water, which is known as slurry. Chimney: raw material hopper, screw conveyor, rotatory kiln, cold clinker discharge, dust chamber, burner, coal dust hopper, air browser and hot air, and there are dust chamber. So the kiln is heated during coal dust by burning coal dust. The temperature inside the kiln varies 1100 to 1800 Kelvin. In the upper part kiln, the temperature is low and slurry dries. The loss of water in the central part of the kiln, limestone decompose about 1300 Kelvin temperature to calcium oxide and carbon dioxide. Then in the lower part of the kiln, the temperature is of order of 1800 Kelvin. Here lime gets mixed with alumina, which is present in clay, to form mixture: twice CO silicon, twice CO SiO2, thrice CO plus silicon, trice CO SiO2, 2 CO alumina, twice CO Al2O3, thrice CO alumina, thrice CO Al2O3, 4 CO Al2O3 Fe2O3, 4 CO Al2O3 Fe2O3, tetracalcium alumino ferrite, tricalcium aluminate, dicalcium aluminate, tricalcium silicate, dicalcium silicate. The resulting mass is hard and has a grey look. It is called clinker. It is called clinker. There are. Okay. It is cooled and mixed with 2 and 3% by mass of calcium sulfate into 2H2O, gypsum. It is finely powdered and mass convert obtained is known as Portland cement. Entire process may be represented with a flow sheet given ahead. Slurry of limestone, clay and water burnt in rotatory kiln 1100 to 1800 temperature. Mixture of silicate and aluminum of calcium mixed with gypsum, that is called Portland cement. Okay. Setting of cement. When cement is to be used in the mixer with water to form a gelatinous mass which slowly becomes very hard, in which SiO aluminum chains are formed. This is called setting of cement. The constituent present in cement take different time for setting. For example, tricalcium silicate aluminate immediately sets into hard mass and is responsible for internal strength of the cement. Tetracalcium aluminate also sets but not as quickly as tricalcium aluminate. Out of the silicates, tricalcium silicate also set quickly but acquire proper strength after a few days. Dicalcium silicate take comparatively more time for proper setting. Gypsum is added to cement in order to regulate the time of setting. Okay, thanks for watching.